Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl's here with her February boxes of Allure and Boxycharm. I just almost took myself out. I'm gonna show you if this is worth it or not. This is $15 a month for the Allure. Let's go right in there. Now, this is my second month doing this, but I will write a list of prices down here for you and if it's worth buying. I've tried out a lot of the items from the last box. Love it. Like I said, I want to have a couple different boxes coming in. If anybody hasn't tried, also my Bravo box is coming in. So, are you ready though? This is what, a big fail. This is what comes in the box. That pamphlet that fell on the floor has the prices, has a description of everything that's in this box. And I'm already going for this brush. OMG. Let's get into this, okay? This is a NYX professional makeup brush. This is the softest brush. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this though. This is a 03 for NYX. Oh my god, I love it already. I love it already. Next, oh my god, this is a mini. This is from Wander. Let's get into this cute little. It reminds me of a little notebook. Let's get in here and tear this up if I don't break it. This here is called a Wondrous Glow After Hours. Still 2.8 grams. For people that care, you get some good products in here. I have nails, so let me open. This is so cute. I don't even know if you can see that. It's so cute. Okay. So, this is a highlighter. Wow. Wow. Just, wow. That is beautiful. It's beautiful. So, I'm definitely going to use that. Next is this Olay Retinal 24-hour night moisturizer. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I've tried Olay products before, and they even have a coupon. So if you want to buy the original here. So this is a little mini. It's supposed to give you 24-hour hydration. Oh, coupon. I tried this one, the whip. It's not too bad, but let's go into this. So this retinol is supposed to be really good for you. This one here is a night moisturizer and it's fragrance free. So I always check and see if they have any type of smell. Put it in my skin here. Okay. This has, it has a little bit of a fragrance, not strong at all. So you can definitely do this one here. But this is a night moisturizer. So, you know, after you put your cleanser, you cleanse your face, you put your toner, put your serum, any vitamin C that you use in that order. Moisturizers last. So that's good to know. This next, which I have already, I believe, is a Peat Miracle Revital Eye Cream. I have face moisturizers or whatever that are also whipped, so this has a good smell. I haven't had the eye cream, so this is something that definitely to check out. See how that is. Next, you're gonna get is the Appeal Ultra Cream Lipstick. Let's get into this packaging. this looks beautiful, which I definitely don't know how to open it yet, but definitely like looks high end. Okay, so how do I open this here? I know there's a little plastic wrap over it, and it doesn't help me out because I have nails. So FML, but let's get into this. Oh, there's actually a color in here which you probably can't see. This is not too much my color. It's more of a pink, not a mauve, but kind of a mauve. So I'm gonna start collecting my things and start doing like giveaways and stuff like that. This is something I don't want to open because I don't think I'll use it, so most likely I'll give this away. Next we have Bareminerals Skin Sorrels, Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. Okay, but what do? This is after cleansing your face, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck using morning and night. So I'm assuming this is like a moisturizer. Let's see if this has a color here. Some have colors. So this is supposed to help replenish your face if it's dehydrated, reawaken your skin. Okay. I don't really smell anything. Oh, you can kind of see the product on the inside here. It's a cute package here. Okay, Bareminerals, come through. I'm gonna try it and see how it is. And then last but not least, you're gonna get a face mask. Super beauteous mask, rose, blended with Jarrett tea. So I love masks. I'm so ready to use this. I have super sensitive skin, so some can give me a little irritation. So I'm hoping that this doesn't do that. Has antioxidants, has rose in here. It's supposed to help brighten and calm. So let's check that out. So for $15, you get a mask, a lipstick. You get a little relief eye cream here. And then you also get a mini Olay retinal. You get a highlighter. You get this Bareminerals here, moisturizer, and you get a beautiful brush, which I'm assuming it could be for blush. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to try this. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. The only thing full size here would be like the lipstick. Oh, the lipstick and of course the brush. $15, you can't go bad. Some brushes alone are that price. So I will put everything down here, how much they cost if you want to buy. So that is Allure. Thank you, Allure. My second box here today is Boxycharm. This is my second month receiving this as well. I'm excited, and I'm probably going to use that word a lot. That is my word. That is my jam. I'm excited because I actually should be receiving next month. They have 3 different types of Boxycharm. There's the standard, which is $25. There's the luxe, which is an additional $25, and they have one higher, which I totally can't remember. But the difference between the 3 is that every 3rd of the month you get more things. So here, this is $25, and I see already brushes. This is Moda Pro 5-piece deluxe eye set. So okay, come through eye set. This must be my year because I got some eyeshadow brushes this year. Second, you're gonna get a Seraphim Botanicals conditioning lip polish. So that's awesome because for Christmas, or let's say for Valentine's Day, actually, I got the Jeffree Star box. So that also came with a lip scrub, which I love. This is a Ace Beauté Scarlet Dusk. This is a palette that features 12 beautiful colors of the breath. They're supposed to reminisce the breathtaking sunset. So let's get into this. These are also cruelty-free for those of you that do care. If a girl can get her palette out here and not bust a nail, we're going to get into this. I love palettes, name, brand, or not. Starting out people here, I'm all for it. Which is why my Bravo box helps people who are starting out in being creative with their line and coming out with beautiful palettes like this. No shade, but it also reminds me of some palettes that came out from ColourPop and Tati's palette, which a lot of people did reviews on. But let's get into some of these colors. Let's see how they swatch. I'm gonna go with Aruba. I love shiny, I love glitter, I love shimmer. Right off the bat, it's a lot of fallout in the pan, but here, I actually swatched it twice, like I do must. But you can see it's like a shimmer. Take one off. Can you see that? Can you see that? It is a like a shimmer. That is nice for in the corner of the eye, a crease above the eyebrow. I'm not mad at it. I'll try it. Next here is I'm gonna try is hibiscus. That's the next one here. So let's get into this here. It's a little rough inside the container, but it could be the container. Ooh, oh wow, hibiscus come through with the orange. Come through, yeah. Okay. And then I'm also going to try one last one, which is Aurora. Aurora reminds me of a dark, shiny maroon. Okay, okay. Everyone's coming out with the nice palettes this year. Okay. I think it's because I rubbed it super hard. There is no fallout whatsoever. That could be different for the matte. So let's check out a matte. All the ones that I tried were shiny, of course. So I'm going to go in with this orange here. It's called Crimson. Let's check it out. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm not mad at it. No fallout. I mean, it could be different with the brush, but come through. Okay. So this is Ace beau'tea. And then look at this. What is this? Trestique. What is this? I think this is mascara. Oh, Good Vibes mascara. It is. And I'm not going to lie. I think it comes with... Oh, it's a little mechanism. Hold on. Am I supposed to put my eye up? Oh. Let's put your eye. It's an eye. I'm done. It's an eyelash curler. I don't know if I can fit my eye in here. I feel like it's going to chop it off. Don't know. I might try it just to see. I'm curious and scared at the same time. But the mascara is down here at the bottom. Okay. The brush is not super flexible, but I'm loving the bristles. So we'll try it. And then last but not least, you're kidding me, is the Glow Recipe Water Sleeping Mask. Now, I don't want to open it, but then I do want to open it because I might give it away. But I might not, because I do have a mini version of this. And I'm not lying, I'm so totally show you. I love this sleeping mask. It is amazing. So for $25, you got a full size sleeping mask, which is 30 mls, which is equivalent to 1 ounce, one like fluid ounce. So I'm not mad at that. You get a mascara here, so I'm assuming like 2 full-size products. You get a palette, so that is already 3, and you get this conditioning lip polish, that's 4, and last but not least, you get brushes. $25 here. I will put my code down at the bottom. Every month is something different. If you're first starting out for the first time, you may get a free palette. You may get different things. It just depends. But I'll put my code so that you can get sometimes something free. Now we are going to go here. And I'm going to go in here so that you see that I'm not lying and pull out my water mask. This is one that was given to me. I'm trying to think what, I have so many different subscriptions. Maybe Sephora. I think when I did the play box. So this here is the same glow recipe mask. So amazing. I love it. I love it. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.